Hi, I'm Nick from Rushmore Painting and Decorating. Today I'm introducing you to the Wagner PS 3.20 paint sprayer. I will guide you through the setup, operation and cleaning process of the paint sprayer while highlighting the unique features that set this sprayer apart from the rest. This competitively priced high-performance piston sprayer is the ideal choice for medium-sized projects, especially when working with interior emulsion or wood and metal paints. Thanks to its rugged design with heavy-duty skid and protected on-off switch, the Wagner 3.20 is suitable for use on construction sites. Setting up and operating the Wagner 3.20 is straightforward. The paint sprayer is available as a 230 volt for domestic work or a 110 version for construction site use. Inside this handy tool bag you'll find 2 spanners for easy maintenance and service. The HEA pressure gauge shows the optimum pressure range of 80 to 140 bar. Many other sprayers at this price point come with basic, cheaper guns which are often high on the list to upgrade. With the Wagner you get a professional Vector Pro gun featuring the TradeTip 3 tip holder. The 4-finger trigger ensures comfortable handling, but if you prefer a 2-finger trigger, this is available as an accessory. Included is the 15-meter DN6 hose. The Wagner 3.20 has a double-acting piston pump, ensuring a consistent material feed for completely smooth paint application. The sprayer is supplied with the high-efficiency Airless 517 tip. This is part of the Wagner's HEA range of tips for a soft spray pattern and up to 55% less spray mist. Operating at lower pressures will increase the service life of the machine. This allows you to work more efficiently whilst minimising any wasted paint. This tip is supplied with a white filter suitable for all medium viscosity materials like emulsions. A broad range of TradeTip 3 tips are available to match all the different applications this sprayer is suitable for, including the purple fine finish tip, which is my absolute favourite for getting high-end finishes on woodwork. With a brand new machine straight out of the box, we recommend that you flush it with water. This removes any cleaning agents which might still be in the machine following manufacturing and transport. This also allows you to become familiar with how to set it up prior to using it with paint. On the side of the machine is the drip cup to rest the suction hose so it is both secure and protected. Lift the suction tube and return hose and immerse into a container of water. Turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to the minimum pressure. Set the switch to the prime position and switch the unit on. Wait until the water comes out of the return hose and then change the switch to the spray position. Trigger the spray gun several times and spray into a bucket. It should come out smoothly. If your connections are secure and you have no leaks, then the unit is ready to spray. If you see any water, then just tighten the connections. For paint delivery, you have 2 options. You can draw paint directly from the original container with the suction hose, or you can use a hopper. Direct suction means there is no need for additional paint transfer or mess, saving you time and effort. The 5-litre hopper is perfect for using smaller quantities of paint and has the added benefit of a quicker startup time and cleanup. Before spraying, it's important to perform a test spray. Ideally, you should be doing this where you're going to be spraying with materials that are at room temperature, as warm paint is less viscous and sprays better. Slowly increase the pressure and check your spray pattern, adjusting until your atomization is correct. You should not get any tailing on the edges. It is a good idea to run at the lowest possible pressure whilst achieving good atomization. Look at the pressure gauge to see if you are working in the HEA pressure range. Cleaning the sprayer is straightforward. Return any unused materials to the original container, then flush through with clean water or the recommended thinners suitable for the paint you sprayed. Tips can be submerged in tip clean so they are ready to go next time. It is equipped with high quality, long lasting packings. If you ever need to fit a replacement, accessing and swapping them is a straightforward process. For enhanced operating safety and easy startup, there is an inlet pusher valve that you simply press to free the valve should anything have caused it to become stuck. Easy Glide prevents increased wear and tear to the packings. Simply top up the oil cup on the front of the machine at the beginning and end of every job. With Wagner's German engineered machines, you can rest assured they are built to last, as proven by their industry leading guarantee. Simply register online to extend from 3 years to 5 years completely free, giving you a total of 5 years peace of mind. So there you have it, the Wagner 3.20 paint sprayer, an efficient, user-friendly and professional sprayer for all your painting needs. Whether it's domestic interiors or rugged construction sites, this sprayer will become your reliable companion. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of any future Wagner videos.